if you were to cry to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not to take something from you, what would it be?
My Iman.
Allah.
Because I would be lying to you. So many people lost their money and got it back. So many people lost their spouses, their children, and Allah will compensate them. Al-Khidr decapitated a young boy. Musa was shocked. لَقَدْ جِئْتَ شَيْئًا نُكْرًا. What are you doing? He said, Allah Azza wa Jal, we knew that he would grow up to be a nuisance and a bad influence. So we wanted Allah to replace them with something more compassionate, more beneficial. So you don't know what the future holds for you. And believe it or not, I forgot your question.
But you've already answered it, and it was...
You forgot it yourself.
No, I've not forgotten.
Alhamdulillah. طيب.
It's coming. It's loading.
Bismillah.
One thing that you will cry to Allah not to take from you, which is your said Iman.
So, wealth, health, spouses, children, all can be compensated.
Yes.
But when I see brothers of mine, da'is, whom I knew personally, who used to go and give khutbat al-Jum'ah, were so articulate, were so knowledgeable, and flip 180 degrees, no more beard, no more salat on time, watching movies, playing the music. And when we talk to them and they say, yeah, I know all of this, just pray for me. They can't help it. When you see this, you cry to Allah, Ya muqallib al-qulub, thabbit qalbi ala dinik. The prophets most frequently made dua. O Prophet of Allah, do you fear for yourself? What is this? He said, hearts are between two fingers of Allah.